Welcome to the Craft Your Own Yarn Headbands kit. Get ready to make cozy cute headbands and matching clips that are totally you. With colorful yarn and adorable accessories, you'll create styles as unique as you are. You'll find everything you need inside your kit. 3 flat headbands, 3 spa-style headbands, 3 metal hair barrettes, 3 types of yarn decor clips, and headband cloth strips. Let's get started! Pick a headband and your favorite yarn. Tie a simple knot just above the end of the headband to keep it secure. Trim any extra yarn tail. Wrap the yarn tightly around the headband. Keep the wraps close together so there are no gaps. Keep wrapping until you reach the other side. Tie another knot at the end and trim off the extra yarn. Then, peel off the backing from the headband cloth strip and wrap it tightly around each end to hold everything in place. Now it's time to decorate. Slide the pointy end of the bunny ear, cat ear, bow, or flower decor clip under the yarn and press down until it clicks into place. Add a ribbon for a cute bow. Place the ribbon where you want it, pull both ends under the headband, and tie a bow just like your shoelaces. Adjust the loops and tails until they look just right. Don't forget the matching clips. Use leftover yarn to wrap the metal barrettes. Tie a knot at one end, wrap tightly, then tie off underneath and trim the extra yarn. And that's it! Your headbands and clips are ready to wear, gift, or show off. Make each one your own. There's no wrong way to style them.